This is RedMagic 9S Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix overheating issues on this smartphone. So, in the beginning, let's talk about the measures you can take in order to prevent overheating from occurring at the first place, since obviously preventing a problem or preventing an issue is way more effective than fixing it after it has already occurred. So, to start, I recommend that you resort yourself from using the fast charging feature that this smartphone obviously provides, and even better if you will switch it off entirely, thus making sure that if you will put it on charging using some unknown equipment, this unknown equipment will not turn out to be a fast charging one. So go into settings, then battery, and switch off the turbocharge feature, which will not allow your device to, fast charge itself. And it will charge, or it should at least, at normal rate, or the safe rate, which should not lead to overheating. Then you can also prevent overheating by not leaving your phone laying around affected by the direct sunlight or sun rays. So if you have to leave it somewhere laying outside, make sure that it always stays in the shadow. Then, if the overheating already occurred and you would like to learn what you can do about it, absolutely, there are quite a few things you can. So first of all, this device has very effective or efficient fans that you can manually switch on or off. And once again, there are quite a few ways you can do that, either from the home screen widget, or from the control panel, or from settings. So switch it on, then you can switch it mode between balanced heat dissipation and fast cooling. And if you would like to for your phone to shave off heat as fast as possible or as soon as possible, switch the fan mode to fast cooling, so the fan will be more effective for that matter, and then simply allow some time for your phone to cool down. On top of that, you can also throw a bunch of additional optimizations. So for example, you can enter the battery category of your settings and switch on the power saver, then go into the display category of settings and enroll the dark mode, and reduce the brightness level also, or simply switch on the automatic brightness feature. And as far as this video goes, as far as my recommendations go, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.